out there in a little playpen playing with some toys, and they were just sitting there watching.
This is one of my most prized possessions.
Alright, so I'm unable to make this little rat sit still. This is what happens. This is what I've been dealing with. You cannot make him sit still for anything. Hold him like this. Nope, he's still. What it's like living with an 8-week-old kitten. What is your deal? Do you want out? Yeah, you want out. We don't move. See, this cage is not gonna open. There we go. Come on. See, but then this is what happens because he doesn't like to be held. This is what happens, and I'm gonna get clawed. Come on. What do you want? You want the water bowl. I'm sorry. I know.
All right, where is baby Twig? And then I had to accept it. He said that she would always be our